This is Amy. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Do you guys mind if I sit here? Do you guys all know each other? Any fun weekend plans? Do you work out with friends?
I like the Ballsiness.
Let's hear that.
Okay, Amy, so how was today?
Today was really awesome.
Quick announcement, thank you so much for everyone that got their hat. They're still available at socialanimal.us. You have the classic black one and the pink one with the side 100k embroidery, meaning that if you get this hat, you're part of the first 100k subscribers. If you're walking around and you see someone with this hat, go say hi and send me a picture. You can get them at socialanimal.us. Let's get back to the video.
Okay, so today I'm in New York.
Hi, I'm Emmy. I'm 26 years old and I am a regional director for a nonprofit here in New York. I think I'm a super social person and I'm really outgoing with my close group of friends or people that I know or I feel like comforted around. However, like random strangers, maybe I'm at a bar, if I want to talk to a cute guy, I definitely can sometimes get a little bit more reserved or I'm nervous or what if I'm rejected, what if they don't like me, what if they don't think I'm cute. And also like girls, like if I'm walking around, if I want to make a new friend, it's kind of like awkward to like go up to someone and be like, hey, like you guys look cool. Can I be your friend? Like, can I be part of the friend group? That doesn't happen, but I'd like it to.
Any last words before we start?
I'm excited. I really love your sweater. I was noticing it. Where's it from?
H&M.
H&M?
Yeah.
I love that store. That's such a good store. I'm waiting for my friend. We're supposed to get coffee, but she's super late, so I hate standing around alone sometimes. What are your names? I'm Emmy. Do you guys all know each other?
Yeah, we are friends.
Are you from France?
Yeah.
Are you visiting the city?
Like we are studying here, like until mid-December.
Oh my gosh, where are you studying?
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for a friend right now, but I work for a nonprofit. So I work.
Are you from New York or?
I'm not from New York. I'm from Massachusetts.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice, but I love the city. I think it's a great place to be, to hang out, to meet new people. It's fun.
Yeah.
Right? But I'm exactly. But I've never been to France. I would like to.
You've never been?
Never been.
You should.
I would like to go. I'm actually going to Spain for the first time in December, so I'm excited about that.
Great.
Have you been?
It's like stuck to France.
Yeah, it's like right there. Have you been to Spain?
Yeah.
Any recommendations in Barcelona or Madrid for restaurants? Awesome. Well, that's so cool. All right. Well, it was so great meeting you both. I'm going to wait for my friend. Hopefully she'll be here soon. But I wanted to say hello. Yeah. Bye. Have a good day. That was something. I've definitely never done something like that before to a group of like, what was it, 5 friends? I think I was a little nervous. I heard like on the side, like I could see the friends kind of like looking at me and like with a weird face and like only 2 of them wanted to talk to me. Okay. So I definitely felt myself getting a little reserved when I felt that rejection from the other girls. But it was nice. The other 2 at least wanted to talk and kind of be my friends.
Okay. There were 5 people, you know.
True.
And you talked to 2. And it's like, it's not like you're giving a lecture, right? So, like people, like it's a big.
Not everyone wanted my attention, I understand.
You talk here, like it's not I don't think you have to internalize it as like, oh, they rejected me, like,
okay.
Just a big group, like it's fine.
Fair.
I think next time this happens, I think you should sit.
You think I should sit? Okay, yeah, that was a little awkward.
But that was first of all, that was really cool.
Do you guys mind if I sit here? You guys seem like nice people. Everyone else is kind of like, no, there's not really.
If you really want.
I mean, I would like to, if that's okay, but if not, I mean, I can sit there if you prefer. Where is your food from?
Sweet green and.
Do you recommend for lunch?
Yes.
You recommend?
Yeah.
I was thinking about getting a salad. I just wasn't sure. Do you like yours as well? Okay. All right. What?
Are you gonna sit?
I mean, I would like to sit, but it's okay.
Okay, if you really want.
Thank you. Thank you. What are your names? Nice to meet you. Emmy.
Are you from the city?
I live in the city now. I'm actually waiting for a friend to come. That's why I just don't really love to like be alone. I like to meet new people, so I figured I'd say hi. I'm from Massachusetts originally.
Okay. I'm
Yeah.
from Ankara, Turkey.
You're from Turkey?
Yes.
That's so cool.
Thanks.
No way, I've actually been to Turkey once.
Yeah, when?
I went on like a Mediterranean like cruise, so we stopped there, but we only stopped in Istanbul. How do you all know each other?
We all work together.
You work together? Where are you?
Eating lunch. We're
Where do you work?
at an architecture firm.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah,
Very cool. Awesome. Awesome.
What do you do?
I'm a director of a nonprofit in the city. Yeah.
What's it called?
What nonprofit?
I work with teens on leadership development and growth and like putting yourself out there. Awesome. Well, thank you for letting me sit here for a bit. I'm hoping I'm going to try to find my friend. I feel like she should be here soon. Thank you. Nice to meet you all. Have a nice rest of your lunch break. That was actually wild. I cannot believe I sat there after they were like, if you really want to. I'm like, yes, I actually do. Like, that's why I asked. Like, they didn't. It was a little nerve-wracking at first. If you like telling strangers they needed in a nice way, like, yeah, I want to sit here. It was definitely awkward. I thought it was going to be even more awkward than it was.
Like next time, when you have those kind of moments, try to like maybe like come from the side, you know, and just make a joke, make fun of them, and then, you know, maybe they're gonna realize like, oh, it's chill, you know.
Okay, I'm not that funny of a person, but I'll try my best to make it. Do you mind if I sit here?
Oh, go for it.
Thank you. It's a good spot to work from.
It is.
It's like such a nice day. It's a perfect spot, perfect day. What are you working on? Are you like on lunch break?
No, residential real estate, so
Okay.
I'm always out
Always
and about.
working. You're in real estate.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you showing a lot of like do you show apartments? Okay. How's the market? I feel like the market right now is so crazy, it's so high.
It's high for rents, for
Okay.
sales. People are getting a little bit scared.
Well,
What do you do?
I'm a director of a nonprofit in the city, so are you doing anything for the weekend? Any fun weekend plans, or besides work right now? Besides work on a Friday. I mean, it's still like midday, you know.
Yeah, no, I mean, I kind of just dictate my schedule around the showing. So,
Okay.
How about you? What's your thing? Bars, restaurants.
I love to dance. I love a good dancey bar, but I like a good cocktail bar as well. But really, wherever mine is about like being with people I care about. So whoever I'm with, like. At least we're bringing the positive energy, the positive vibes that makes the experience, you know, and the ambiance of a place. Like, I'm really into aesthetics.
Give me the latest and greatest.
Okay, there's this place. It's a seafood restaurant. It's called Fishma, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. You have a lot of friends in the city.
Less now
Still.
than before. I kind of had the wave of everyone moving here after graduating college, and then went home, basically.
Yeah.
I went to school down in Florida, undergrad, so a lot of those kids kind of just migrated back south.
Did you go to
Or you committed to Manhattan long term?
I don't know. I really like Manhattan. I work here. I have family here. All my friends are here for now, you know, but I think it just depends. Wherever life takes me is kind of where I'll go. Whoever I end up meeting, like, that's where I'll end up, I think. So.
Cool. Do you work around here, or you live around here?
My work is I kind of work all over the city, and I work in a lot of coffee shops all the time, but today it's Friday, so I'm kind of like, I'm taking like kind of like a half a day kind of thing. Okay, she texted me that she is here, so I'm gonna meet her, but if you want me to send you that fish restaurant, if you have Instagram, I'll DM you. Do you have Insta?
I do, yes.
Got you. All right, I'll follow you, and then I'll send it to you. Oh, so nice meeting you. Have a good rest of your day. Bye. You know, I've never approached a guy in a park before, probably alone, just like that. So it was a cool experience, definitely.
Yeah, when we passed, you said, "Oh, do you think he's gonna hear me with the headphones?" And he was like chilling.
Yeah, 100%. It also gives me like a lot of confidence that you can just go up to like a random guy and talk to them. You know, it is cuffing season, so you never know who you're gonna meet. Are you guys filming something?
No.
I just noticed the camera is so.
Ads
Oh, cool.
for socks.
For socks? Oh, I love socks. That's so cool. What company? Oh, I've heard of that.
Yeah.
I've definitely.
Change his outfit now.
Which are you?
Hello.
Very cool. Very cool. Oh, where are you from?
England?
Oh, Very cool. Everyone I'm meeting nowadays is like not from New York, so it's cool to meet.
Like a melting pot.
Yeah, it's awesome. All right, well,
Have a good day.
you too. Enjoy your photo shoot.
Thank you so much.
Keep it going. Are you not on the? Are you the cameraman? You're the photographer. Okay, cool. It's a nice camera.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's a good area to shoot from.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Have a good day.
You can't just like keep climbing up. Sometimes you have to like go down a little.
I guess you're right. That was kind of a little bit of a shock. I was like so excited for them to want to talk. They did not want to talk.
Lunch break.
Oh,
they
were worse than the lunch break. They wanted to just like do their sock advertisement. I even told them I love socks. I thought maybe
I thought you were gonna try to get a sock for free.
I was trying, and then I was like, oh, I love socks. And then he's like, all right, we gotta go change now. But he needed to go change. He needed to go.
You should have made fun of it. When you go where? It just sucks.
I should have done that. Oh, see, I told you I'm not funny. It's so nice out today. It's really nice. Did you work out with friends or just by yourself today? It's a good spot to come to. I need to come here more to work out.
It's the best place to work out.
Yeah, it is. I like to run on the West Side Highway, but sometimes it's a good area.
Have a good one.
You too. That was by far, that was so uncomfortable. And I got there and I could just tell he was like listening to his music. And I'm like, hey.
But okay, anyway, that's good. You know, you're going for it.
I know that's something I definitely would never have done before. So at least I did it. At least I can say I did it.
Yeah, I'll give you big props.
All right.
You've been pretty productive.
All right, well, we'll try again. Do you mind if I sit here or use one of these chairs? Anyone? Okay, it's so nice out, so I was like, I kind of want to sit outside. How's your day going? You look like you're having a productive day.
Yeah, trying to. How's your day?
It's good. I'm meeting a friend soon, so I'm just early. But I got off work a little early, figured walk around the West Village, have some coffee. Nothing better, right? I'm a director of a nonprofit in the city. I work with teens on teen development and leadership.
That's awesome.
Yeah, what about you?
Super interesting.
It's cool.
So, have you heard about?
Of course I have. My couch is from there.
Yeah, that's awesome. So, I'm
Amazing.
back. Lived in Jersey for a while, but just moved to the West Village.
Okay.
4 months ago.
You just moved here?
Yeah.
Welcome.
Brand new, fresh.
Well, cheers to that. Welcome.
You live here?
Like almost 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah. I was in Philly for a little bit during COVID, and then I came back, so it's been nice. I love the city.
I don't know if you have like a business card.
I don't have a business card, but I can give you my email or like Instagram or something.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Here, why don't you give me your Instagram? What is it?
We can always connect.
Yeah, we always do through organizations
Yeah.
for charities to partner with.
Yeah.
Either donate time or donate financially.
Yeah.
And it really aligns with like what we're passionate.
We can talk more about it for sure, and I can go when you have more time, but you can DM me and then we can figure it out. All right, well, it's so nice meeting you. Have a good day. I'm gonna see where my friend is as well. That was good. It was really natural. And, we talked, we really related on leadership and leadership development, which was really cool. It's one of my passions. So I was so funny that he was into that too. I really wasn't sure which one I was going to talk to.
Did you sit at the other one?
I did. I sat at the other table and I thought I was going to become his friend. And I was going to ask him about the book. And then, the other guy was more perceptive. He started chatting. It was really nice. Yep. And then he wanted my business card.
Yeah, that was
I didn't have a business card on me. I was like, I can give you my number, my Instagram. I wasn't sure. I think he really wants to talk about leadership, which is great. He was also cute. You never know. Excuse me. Do you live around here? Do you live around this area?
Not really.
Oh, I didn't know. I was going to ask you if you had any good restaurant recommendations. I'm recently moved here and I'm trying to figure out other cool bars or places to meet younger people of the city.
Sorry.
It's okay. When did you move here?
3 days ago.
Welcome. from? Where are you from?
From Poland, but actually
From Poland. That's so cool. Oh my god.
husband studies in NYU.
Okay.
So I just moved.
Did you move here because you guys got married or because of his
Yeah.
job? That's so exciting. Where was the wedding?
The wedding was in Warsaw. I can even show you.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. So
Yeah.
beautiful. How many months ago was this?
3 months ago.
Wow.
We're together like 11 years. So it was right time, you know?
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow, you look.
You know, I'm a musician.
Oh, no way. What do you play?
Yes, and we have a duo with my husband. So
Wait.
if you're free next Wednesday, we actually play in Carnegie Hall.
Wait, can you send me the info? Can you take my number
Yeah,
and like
sure.
send me the info?
Can I find you on Facebook? Or
Yeah, Facebook, Instagram, number, whatever.
Yeah, and you can meet maybe some nice guys from.
Honestly, it's a good idea.
I think
so
so.
nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, it's so nice meeting friendly people like you. Have a good rest of your day. Bye. That was really sweet. I met a new friend. She invited me to the charity concert at Carnegie Hall. I'm really excited next Wednesday. She's gonna DM me the details.
That was cool.
And everyone I'm meeting is like not from the US. It's really cool.
I mean, yeah, welcome to New York City.
Welcome to New York City. But she was so sweet. She showed me her wedding photos.
Yeah, that was so sweet.
That was so cool. She looked beautiful. It was really nice.
It's so funny because it started with this like, oh, do you have a restaurant, which was kind of bullshit.
Yeah.
And then it really quickly like eased into something very genuine, really.
Yeah. Just coffee's good here. Have you?
I haven't had it.
You haven't? I was
Do
debating.
you like La Colombe across the street?
No, I haven't. I was looking for like a better coffee shop to work from, and I saw you were working, and I'm always like looking for new places to like work from and stuff. So I like to ask and see if it's a good
pretty
vibe.
Good. I haven't tried the coffee, but like it's a good vibe.
Is the food good here?
Yeah, the food's good.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Do you work in the city? Are you working
I
now?
actually live in LA.
Oh no way! So you're visiting?
Yeah, I'm visiting. Yeah.
Are you visiting friends or just?
Friend, I've like so I'm applying to business school. I had a business school interview yesterday.
Okay.
I'm like staying with my little sister.
Oh, it's so
Like,
fun! This is so random. Like go out and stuff.
I love it.
I know, I love it.
Especially in New York, this never happens.
I know. I was like,
Actually, I don't know. I guess that people think it doesn't happen, but it actually does.
it totally can happen. I feel like you just have to like make it happen, you know? People are always so scared to go up to new people and like
I know.
talk.
I like the ballsiness.
Yeah, well, I was like, I have to ask if like coffee and stuff. So, well, good luck with the rest of your interviews and everything.
Finally, I'm done. Today, I'm like,
Oh, congrats. Yay.
what are your plans for the weekend?
Yeah, what are my plans?
Yeah.
My plans are I have a birthday tomorrow, and then one of my friends is running in the marathon on Sunday. So we're going to go celebrate this.
Similar plans.
And then, are you going as well, the marathon?
I'm going to the marathon, and then tomorrow's my little sister's birthday.
Oh, wow. Literally, like, this is very similar plans. That's so nice that you're here.
I'm so happy to be here.
Is your little sister is she just graduated?
She graduated 2020. Same with her, and then Miss Valerie.
Love that.
Two of them, yeah.
I love that. I understand. So someone in New York though? He's in New York?
It's complicated.
I understand that. We should maybe stay in touch if you have an Instagram or anything.
Yeah.
I wish you were in New York because then I'd be like, you should come out with us this weekend and like meet up. Well, it's so great meeting you. I'll let you like finish your thing, but seriously, stay in touch. And if you end up in Boston, let me know and I'll connect you with my friends out there.
Yeah.
I'm always like to help other people out. So, all right. You too. Have a good rest of your day. I really made a new friend. We like totally vibed. Great energy.
That was a very cool moment.
It was a really cool moment. Like I love getting deep with people too, and then she really started telling me about her life. It was
Yeah, that was great.
That was cool.
So cool.
That was really cool. And like I wish she lived here because I feel like we could actually be friends.
And I liked how there you just sat. You didn't even ask her. You started talking about it, you just sat there. That was cool.
Yeah, it was a really cool experience. I didn't really know fully what to expect, and it definitely exceeded my expectations. And I was surprised when some people like started off maybe like as a rejection and then actually eased into the conversation and tried to really like listen to me and be my friend and talk, which was cool. And that you can kind of change people's opinion by the energy or like the way I'm talking to them. You can really meet anyone you want to as long as you just put your best foot forward and you're confident about it. And if you see someone you want to talk to, just go for it. And I'm going to try to really do that more in my day-to-day life.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video?
Well, first of all, thanks for watching. And second of all, I would say just go for it. Put yourself out there, talk to new people because you never know who you're going to meet.
Any last word?
That's it.